All right, it's the following day. It's the day of the e-bike. Yes, can't wait. They're riding mountain bikes today, electric mountain bikes. Oh, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Also confirmed is I will be going thrifting tomorrow in Fayetteville, which is Thursday, and that's gonna be pretty cool too. I did announce it on everywhere basically. Yeah, it's just a little meet and greet. It should be a lot of fun. On our way to get some coffee, walking the dogs. Beautiful morning here in the AK. I guess the OZ is what they call it out here, the Ozarks. Yeah, I never got a chance to tell you guys Merry Christmas, so a late Merry Christmas from Bonafide Hustler. Having fun out here?
Yeah.
This
thing is weird, babe.
You don't like it?
I don't know, it's weird.
It's a little new camera that we're messing with, so she don't like it too much. It's kind of interesting. I might return it though, but it's called an Osmo Pocket. It's pretty cool. You guys let me know if you like this footage or not. I need a coffee.
Me too.
All right, we're here at Onyx Coffee Lab in Bentonville. Tomorrow's little thrift meetup thing or meet and greet will be at Onyx in Fayetteville. Well, it's time to go get a little coffee. Let's check it out. Hey, good. I know, it's like a really little gimbal thing.
Is it moving?
Yeah, it's a gimbal camera.
What does that mean? Whoa! I want one of these. Whoa!
It'll take the shake away and everything.
Oh my gosh!
That's really nice.
I'm gonna get one of these for my little brother, I think.
It just came out.
Pretty cool.
Make little vlogs and stuff for YouTube.
That is really cool.
I'll do an almond milk latte. I think it's an almond milk latte. And then I'll do an oat milk triple latte. All right, got myself an oat milk latte. Let's take a taste. It's good. How's yours?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you even try it?
Yeah.
You did?
Of course I did.
Good. What are you doing?
Making some breakfast.
Breakfast. These eggs are like really, really good. So she's gonna cook up her little breakfast. I'm gonna cook up my breakfast, and then we rent the e-bikes, which should be awesome. We're riding a lot today. This is gonna be like a 3 to 5 hours of riding today. So I'm gonna get an avocado. I'm gonna do 4 eggs. I'm gonna do 4 eggs, 1 avocado, 1 egg white, ketchup, guacamole, and 3 to 4 slices of bread plus a banana.
Jeez.
First meal. All right, we're about to get out of here. You ready?
Yep, let's go.
What are we doing today?
I'm gonna get an e-bike.
It's e-bike time. Still gotta get down there. I have to bring in one of my bikes so they can take the pedals off my bike, put it on the e-bike. But it's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay.
I would recommend that when you're going on, steep pitch terrain, stick to E-MTB. It gives you a lot of torque at the beginning of your pedal stroke, and then it just kind of tapers off slowly. So it'll help you get over the steeper climbs, but it won't waste too much energy when you start to gain speed. And if you've got like a long progressive climb, I would either put it on touring or on eco. So it doesn't use a whole bunch of power, but it still gives you that assist and allows you to run a taller gear than you normally would.
I got the e-bikes. I'm chilling here. We're pushing down the street to our SUV. We should be at the trail pretty soon. These things are way heavier than I thought they were going to be, but then again, everything's beefier on these because they have a battery that can take this thing apparently up to 60 miles of trail. That's how much it can do on this one charge, depending on how much you use the battery in these little modes that you saw on that previous clip. Let's get to the trail. So we're here at Blowing Springs Park, got the bikes off the rack, just getting rigged up right now. One thing I have noticed is that these bikes are probably 2 to 3 times as heavy as a normal mountain bike. But that's because we got a huge battery through here, a motor right there, beefed up suspension, things like that. So pretty awesome. Very, very neat little bikes. Second, even the eco mode is on, which apparently just gives you like 10% of your which basically amplifies you times 10%. It's unreal already just in that setting, like what it feels like. Now, if you put this tour setting on, it's like major turbo boost. And there's even a turbo setting on top of that, which I haven't even tried yet. So let's get on the trail and see this thing. Oh my gosh. These uphills are so easy just in this eco mode. What? Crazy. All these uphills and stuff. So much easier to do. Definitely fun. The good thing is the front end of this bike is really light. So you could still like huck things and go over obstacles. I like the eco setting a lot. I mean, as it gets harder for me to pedal, it gives me more. But as I need just a little bit, it gives me a little bit. It's pretty cool, it's very intuitive. Put this bike to the test a little bit. Just can't rail these corners because of these stupid leaves. It's just neat for the, it's just like driving a turbo car from like the early 2000s or the late 90s. It's about that same stuff. There's a little bit of a lag, then it just picks up, and that's really, really cool. So we took a little stop right here. We're gonna get some water, but I'm not gonna diss this bike. Like, I like it. The experience is fun. It's not, it's different. It's definitely different. What do you think?
It's different. It's, I don't know. I feel like I'm not working at all. Like I'm not out of breath after all of that at all. And I don't know, maybe it's because it's not my bike, I'm not used to it, I can't really do what I want to do on it. And
the leaves, right?
And the leaves and loose rock is kind of sucks.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Look at these uphills, like with ease. It's like no problem. It's crazy. Look at that. All right, so we had a lot of fun at that previous place, but now we're at a different place, and we're going to try to send these bikes on an actual like downhill route. And so I don't know what they're going to act like or whatever. They're definitely heavier, like I said earlier in the video. But we're going to send them down some serious downhill, and we're here at the Kohler Mountain Biking Preserve, which has a significant uphill to get to the hub. And we're going to go check it out. Yeah, and then we're going to send it down a bunch of lines. We'll see. So we're heading up this gradual uphill all the way to the hub. This thing climbs like a billy goat. All right, we're sitting here at the hub. This massive thing built that starts you off on all these trails that are pretty crazy. Here we go. Yeah, they definitely heavier in the air. Yikes. Oh, these are big jumps. No doubt. Jeez. Really don't want to send these bikes up in the air a ton. I mean, even though I did send it a little bit. Oh, hell yeah. But I ain't sending it any more than what I've done because I don't want to buy one of these. So we're going to take this thing called Oscar's Loop down. Whoa, so crazy. Whoa. Uh-oh, it's getting technical. Are you about mountain biked out today?
Yes, I'm so mountain biked down.
It's a lot.
Ugh, my hands hurt, my scapula hurt.
All right, so overall, what is the e-bike, the E-MTB? Is it a good thing to do here and there, or what's the deal?
I think if you're trying to cover a lot of distance and see a lot of things, yes. I don't feel comfortable on it, so I don't feel like I had as much fun as I do on my bike. I don't know. So I thought it was a lot of fun. I think it's definitely worth the experience. Whether I would own one ever in life, that's a different story. But I would equate it to possibly this. You know, when you do surfing for real in real life,
got to work, you know, to get out there, and you have to understand the water and the dynamics and all that kind of stuff. And when you finally catch a wave, it feels good and it's rewarding. And the whole act of paddling out and catching waves and reading the ocean is the art of surfing. But then there's that thing with tow-in surfing, which is like really big, you know, waves, and there's a jet ski that basically alleviates all the paddling out. But the consequences are bigger and badder, and just a whole different ball game. But it's still surfing, right? And this is still mountain biking, but it's almost like all the uphill, the work for the uphill is minimized. And so I would equate it to that. You know, is one better than the other? It's hard to say. There's going to be people that are going to love e-mountain biking and people that are going to love the original style. I think I like the original style better, but this is definitely fun, and I think everybody should experience it at least once. You know, if you're overweight and you want to get into mountain biking, I think this is a perfect way to get into mountain biking, would be this way. But it's kind of not cost effective. So these bikes were super expensive, and they're not even like super capable.
That being said, though, I don't know if I would not rent again. I don't know. I'm willing to give it a shot, see what I can do with it.
I'm definitely renting again. But I would like to do it in a place like Colorado, or somewhere where I can get distant and see lakes, or like Utah, like the backcountry, something like that. But this was a lot of fun. It was a good experience, well worth my money. I don't have any regrets. And yeah, pretty cool. Returned the bike, actually got into my first hustle down here, which is these Bontrager shoes right here. They're called Bontrager podium shoes. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, these are basically casual. Bontrager is a bike brand, and the podium shoe is the shoe that they have. This is what it looks like. Retails for about 120 bucks or so. I picked up a nice size 12 pair for 40 bucks out the door. So that's good. It was 70% off, and with tax, that was 40 bucks out the door. Plan to put this one on eBay. This pair on eBay between $100 and $109. And it comes with a box and everything. So the first hustle of Arkansas officially has been done. Not too bad. Tomorrow, that's right, tomorrow is the meet and greet. And I know I said we were going to do some thrifting and everything like that, but like everything was so close to Christmas, and the thrift stores and everything around here in Bentonville really suck. Tomorrow, there's a meet and greet in Fayetteville at a coffee shop, and I'm going to be doing some thrifting. So that's on the next vlog. I'll make sure to edit it pretty quick. So if you're enjoying this, make sure you hit the like button. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler vacation thing. Take it easy. Goodbye!